everyone, I welcome all of you on Gate Chemical Planet, and I would like to thank all the dear students who subscribed my channel. Please join me on Telegram also. So here student, we are going to discuss Gate 2021 MCQ series 3, in which we will discuss some multiple choice questions based on Fick's law of diffusion. In my last series, which was based on molecular diffusion, we have discussed more than 10 questions. So if you have not watched that video, then the link in the description is given. Go to the link and watch the video and comment me in a comment section if you have any doubt. So now let's start the video. Question number 1 is, Fick's law is valid for option A is solid, option B is liquid, option C is gases, option D is all of these. Students, I want to give information on Fick's law. Fick's law is valid for gases, liquid and solids. Okay, so the correct option is all of these. So now we will come on question number 2. Fick's first law of diffusion for the z direction is, option are given. First option is JA equals to DAB, del CA by del Z. Option B equals to JA equals to minus DAB, del CA by del Z. And option C and D are given. So student, here according to the definition of Fick's first law of diffusion, the molar flux of species A in Z direction is directly proportional to the concentration gradient. So here molar flux is JA, which is directly proportional to the concentration gradient del CA by del Z. Okay, and the proportionality sign is the diffusivity DAB. So student, here flux is always a quantity which is always a positive quantity by convention. So JA cannot be negative, and diffusion occurs spontaneously in the direction of decreasing concentration. So the negative sign is incorporated in the equation to make it consistent with respect to sign. So this equation is the correct equation for the Fick's first law of diffusion in the Z direction. So why here negative sign is used? Negative sign is used because the diffusion occurs in the direction of decreasing concentration, and negative sign is incorporated in equation to make it consistent with respect to sign. I am repeating for those students who are not getting why the option B is correct, not the option A. In option A, negative sign is not here. So in the equation there is negative sign. So negative sign for concentration drop. Okay, so B option is correct. C and D option are not correct because here concentration gradient is not in proper manner. Okay, so option B is the correct option. So now move on question number 3. According to Fick's first law of diffusion for a binary mixture in terms of diffusion, flux IOA and IOB in Z direction is. So to answer this question properly, we have to an idea about the capital II and capital IO. So capital IA, where A is the species A. The IA is the molar flux of species A with respect to an observer moving with mass average velocity u naught. So this option is correct because the formula for II is Ci equals to Ui minus U, where U is the mass average velocity. So this option is also correct. Okay, and for B option, IOA equals to minus JAB del CA by del Z, which is the molar flux of a species in the direction, particular direction is directly proportional to the concentration gradient, and it is in Z direction. Okay, So A and B are species here, and Z is the direction of molar flux. So this option is also correct. So here option C is the appropriate answer, either A or B. So both options are correct for this. So now move on, question number 4th. Fick's first law of diffusion for a binary mixture depends on flux is in moles per area time. Diffusion velocity is relative to volume average velocity. Driving potential in terms of molar concentration, or all of these. See the option A, which is moles unit of molar flux. Moles per unit area time, per unit time. Moles per meter square second. It is the correct option. Diffusion velocity is relative to volume average velocity. It is also a correct option. The driving potential is the molar concentration. So the molar concentration is the driving potential or the driving force in Fick's law of diffusion. It is also correct. So all the options are correct here. So this is the basically the definition of Fick's law of diffusion for a binary mixtures. So remember all the points in this question. So now move on, question number 5. So question number 5 is Fick's second law of diffusion is. So here 4 expressions are there, and we have to find out the most appropriate answer for Fick's second law of diffusion. So how we will choose the correct option? What is the trick behind this option? So here always remember that Fick's law is in terms of del square, and the term in terms of del square is only in option B. So del Ca by del F equals to dAb, which is the diffusivity, into del square Ca by del x square plus del square Ca by del y square plus del square Ca by del z square. This is the correct option. Always remember the equation of Fick's second law of diffusion. So this is very easy. I think you can remember, or by learning the equation. Okay, you can mark this. So here question number 6 is the diffusivity coefficient can be presumed to remain practically constant for a range of pressure and temperature for ideal gases, dilute solution, both A and B, and none of these. So student, always remember the diffusivity coefficient, which is dAb, is constant for a pressure and temperature ranges for ideal cases and also for ideal gases and also for dilute solution. So both the answer are correct. Okay, so now move on, question number 7th. So in question number 7th, when molar diffusivity is independent of pressure, it is applicable to non-ideal gases, non-ideal solutions, either A or B or none of these. So student, what is the molar diffusivity? The molar diffusivity means dAb, which is independent of pressure. For which cases? So for non-ideal gases and for non-ideal solutions, the diffusivity is independent of pressure. So it is very important question and easy question also. So either A or B. Now move on to the next question. Which one of the following has the same dimension as that of diffusion coefficient? So which one is the same dimension as of diffusion coefficient? The kinematic viscosity, the volumetric diffusivity, or the thermal diffusivity, or all of these? So the answer for this question is all of these, because the kinematic viscosity, the volumetric viscosity, and the thermal viscosity has the same dimension as that of diffusion coefficient. So option D is correct for this question. Now move on, question number 9. When molar diffusivity is independent of pressure, it is applicable to. This question is repeated again by mistake, so the answer is either C or B. Okay, now move on next question. The binary diffusivity in liquid is of the order of 10 to the power 5 centimeter square per second, 10 to the power minus 5 meter square per second, 10 to the power minus 5 millimeter square per second, or 10 to the power minus 5 feet square per second. So here the correct option is the A option, because the binary diffusivity in liquid is in order of 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter square per second. This is very good question. You can learn this question. You can learn this value also. Sometimes maybe in questions in examination it is asked. So here 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter square per second is the correct answer. So now move on to the next question. The binary diffusivity in gases at atmospheric condition is of the order of 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter square per second, 10 to the power minus 5 centimeter square per second, or 10 to the power 5 centimeter square per second, or D option is 10 to the power minus 7 centimeter square per second. So the correct option is the option A, 10 to the power minus 1 centimeter square per second. Okay, so now move on to the question number 12. The diffusivity DAB for A diffusing in the B is the same as the diffusivity DBA for B diffusing in A for a binary mixture of what? Ideal gases only, real gases only, both ideal and real gases, and real liquids only. So what is the correct option here? Student, always remember, for ideal gases the DAB is equal to DBA. So the correct option is A, ideal gases only. So this is the entire series. Question number 11 questions are there. Okay, so one question is repeating in this series by mistake from my side, and all the questions are correct. Okay, so if you have any doubt, you are not getting the answer properly, then comment me in a comment box. Okay, so here I end up this series. Thank you so much for attending my lectures, and please subscribe my channel.